In a world where production efficiency defines competitiveness, one question stands above all. Can your team make the right decisions under real industrial pressure? The Lean Manufacturing Simulator is more than a digital training tool. It's a controlled, risk-free environment where participants learn to see waste, optimize operations, and manage complexity, not in theory, but in practice. At the core of the simulation is a realistic manufacturing process with 10 distinct stages, some running in sequence, others in parallel. It's not just a model, it's a reflection of how real factories work, complex, interconnected, and full of trade-offs. But the goal here isn't just to finish the tasks. The real challenge is this: maximize cumulative net profit, despite all the limitations you face. Because just like in real production, you'll be working under constraints: a fixed talk time, a limited market demand, a static product price. And you won't be alone. Participants compete against each other, comparing results, strategies, and decisions. To come out on top, it's not enough to act fast, you have to act smart. That means applying lean tools wisely, prioritizing using the Pareto principle, managing bottlenecks with the theory of constraints, and most importantly, learning how to combine these approaches into a system that works. As the simulation unfolds, you will encounter the full range of classic production waste, from overproduction and excess inventory to rework and lost human potential. But identifying waste is just the beginning. The real skill is learning how to eliminate it, without creating new problems elsewhere. Each decision affects your plant's performance, and it's all tracked in real time. Your results, revenue, profitability, competitiveness all feed into a dynamic rating system that reflects your true capability to drive lean transformation. The simulator is fully online, suitable for both classroom and independent use. With a flexible duration of 6 to 12 hours and no limit on the number of participants, it can support a single team or scale to an entire company. In the end, this isn't just a simulation, it's a mirror. One that shows how well you understand lean thinking and how ready you are to lead meaningful change in real operations. The Lean Manufacturing Simulator. Not just training, capability in action.